ऑनेस्टली बहुत लोगों को पता भी नहीं कि वो गाना मैंने गाया था, जो आज की जनरेशन है। साउंड चल रहा है, साउंड पीपल नो हीरी है, सोनी, लेकिन आई थिंक पता नहीं वो एक चीज़ बन गई, प्यारी सी मेलोडी बन गई, लोगों ने बहुत पसंद किया, क्योंकि उस टाइम 2006 की बात है ये। And I think those time remixes are happening.
Absolutely.
Harry Anand, Kaanta Laga, all those things were happening. And then suddenly I think when this track dropped, एक emotional track, with those lovely visuals and dialogues and all. So I think वो उस तक impact पड़ा लोगों के दिलों में, मतलब काफी, you don't know यार, एक चीज बन गई. It's like it's.
You mentioned 2006, लोग बोलते हैं ना रिवर्स एजिंग पूरी दुनिया जा रही है। इस बात को 18-19 साल हो गए हैं। Listen, I have to say, you maintain the size also. It's fantastic. Yeah, this is you do a lot of other things also. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि कई बार लोग इसको नजरअंदाज कर देते हैं, because you got to appear on screen also. You have to look the right way also. You really maintain this part.
Yeah, I'm getting old. Yeah, I have to look after myself.
Yeah.
But I think I just be happy. Stay positive. Get that beautiful positive energy from the universe and throw that same energy. I just want everybody to be happy. वो happiness से maybe वो weight control में है.
सब कुछ. It looks like you're doing yoga 24/7. वो बुद्ध वाली feel है आपके face पर. But making a track also like this also. Samiksha is very involved. The both of you have been involved in front of the camera, behind the camera, behind the camera. Your family. Is it difficult to work with your wife?
Samiksha is actually she is an actress.
Yes.
तो काफी movies की हैं,
Yes.
TV serials वगैरह की हैं. So I think she understands cinema very well.
Right.
मुझे याद है सारे like during lockdown.
Yes.
We shot this video called तेरे नाल.
Yes.
उस टाइम मेरी मेट थी सिंगापुर में और मेरी असिस्टेंट थी, हमने कैमरा दे दिया उनको.
अच्छा.
और फ्रेमिंग समीक्षा ने कर दी कि भाई अब खड़े हो जाओ. मैंने कहा खड़े होना है. She's like नहीं, we will make it very nice COVID style kind of thing कि वो हम डॉक्टर्स हैं. तो I think वो और I think she has that instinct, that she understands camera, she understands storytelling. अच्छी सुनते ही कोई स्टोरी दिमाग में आती है समीक्षा की. तो ये इस गाने के साथ भी she curated everything very well. And I think I thank her for this beautiful creation. And obviously thank you Urvashi for being part of this song. क्योंकि working with her was amazing. She is such a lovely person. मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा. मुझे थोड़ा ये था कि कैसी होएगी, like I mean, because she's been here, has done so many, albums and lot of other things. तो लेकिन comfort zone, this is the most important thing when you're working with your co-star.
And before I call her on stage, I have to say, she's one of the hardest working individuals I have known. Again, मैं भी इनको इतने सालों से जानता हूँ. जब वो stage पर आ रही है, she has worked her way up. She has reached a stage where everyone now knows. Like I said, लोग नाम के लिए इतना कुछ करते हैं और कई बार लोग नाम नहीं पहचानते हैं. But Urvashi Rautela today, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the most loved faces on Indian cinema and Indian television.
Yes.
Please do welcome her. जब आपसे मिलता हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि you're trying so hard and you always manage to succeed. So now that you are the it girl in Bollyland और सब लोग चाहते हैं कि उर्वशी के साथ we should make some kind of a project. How does it feel now?
First of all, extremely grateful and very thankful for such sweet words and very kind words. I must say, first of all, extremely elated to have all of you here. Thank you so much to all the members of media. I'm just truly elated, and I think I've been truly blessed and very lucky that right since beginning of my career, I have had a great evergreen romantic songs, right from Arijit Singh's Sanam Re, Hua Hai Aaj Pehli Baar, वो चांद कहाँ से लाओगी, and there are multiple tracks which have added to my filmography, and people love to hear all those tracks. So I'm very happy and I'm very fingers crossed that also the same thing happens with our track Rabba Kare, that it adds up to the filmography and people love it even way more.
लोग होते हैं ना sharing.
Such a emotional, very gentle, very such a great music sense, and he is very high on creativity, and that's where we really blend it all together. But at the same time, he is so good in what he does, which is his original business. So I think it's a great mix, and this is the kind of a mix which it's really hard to find, and he's the rarest one.
इतनी बड़ाई.
मैं भी बोल रहा सर. But But she
you.
said absolutely right. It's very difficult to do
So
both.
kind of you. I'm really kind of you. Thank you so much. And likewise, same goes for her. The amazing human being, amazing person. You know, I saw her that song, Sanam Re. You know, one thing good about Urvashi is that you know she can mold herself into any character. तो इसमें थोड़ा डिफरेंट हमने कोशिश की कि आप श्योर है भाई दैट सिंप्लीफाइड काइंड ऑफ दैट जोन राइट इतना अच्छा बन के आया तो यू नो वी ऑल आर हैप्पी यार बस अभी तो अब आपके ऊपर है
In some people, but you know, it's a large team that was involved in making the track also. Was this an immediate yes? Like ऐसा था multiple versions इसके बने थे या फिर जैसे कई बार होता है ना you're not back and forth चलते रहता है ऐसा हुआ था इसमें या immediately yes हुआ?
नहीं I think we did yeah we had the story we had the screenplay ready and so once she was on board that's it we just shot 2 days and yeah
I like the arrangement of the track also. Which way a lot of the songs that you have this love story vibe to it. This has a nice groove to it also. And there's a lot of electronic element that goes into it. So whose idea was that?
This was completely my music composer. Actually, I went back to my old team from Helium. Vipin Goswami, I call him Buddha, he's a Bengali. तो मैंने कहा दादा कुछ अलग करते हैं, जेन सी का कुछ करते हैं, थोड़ा अपबीट करते हैं, मुझे ना वो मेलोडी चाहिए। ठीक है, रोमांटिक गाना करेंगे, but again I have this vision that let's make this track a little like as you rightly said electronic, little upbeat guitars. तो वो फिर उन्होंने कुछ बना के मुझे भिजवाया। So we were jamming है, 2-3 नई melodies. So finally I thought this is the one we should.
Picks off very nicely. Just
Thank
before
you,
I
thank
open
you
up
so
to
much.
also the public also, what is on your playlist right now? Rishi, you're traveling like Shell said, you're always traveling. क्या सुनते हो? Because I know you're not doing the meetings that your
I
team is
might
doing.
travel after this as well.
Immediately. अभी गोवा होगा ना यार. But I want to understand what is on your playlist? क्या सुनते रहते हो? Music सुनते हो या फिर script reading चलती रहती है? क्या सुनते हो?
I'm a big time music lover, and I've been hearing a lot of Sabrina Carpenter's tracks these days. And I just like I so love her music. Be it like espresso or any kind of songs. I think Sabrina Carpenter's music. And I've also been hearing a lot of Tylaz, a lot of like Afro music, and a lot of what do we say, Korean pop. I like. So I like
Bro,
that.
so many movies, man. I expected something totally
I'm
different.
sorry I'm interrupting, but I have to say this. Urvashi had told me that she's also a singer and she sings. I really, you know, I was so impressed and I asked her like, what genre of music do you like? You know, she's like, I love these melodies and so I think कमाल की बात है ये. I've not heard her singing, but I would love to, you know, someday. I mean, whenever, you know, I
एक एल्बम काटने का टाइम आ गया. उर्वशी ये भी
I love,
और
I
देखो उत्तराखंड से है, तो वहाँ तो वैसे भी संगीत तो लोगों के जहन जहन में है. क्योंकि मैं नैनीताल में शूट कर रहा था, मुझे याद है वहाँ पर, you know, अभी पहाड़ों में ना एक्चुअली म्यूजिक की सेंस बहुत होती है लोगों को. I have seen that, you know, and I think maybe she's from that state, beautiful state, and she has that sense and she sings. That was the most amazing thing, you know.
चलो फिर एक हो जाए हमारे इनके लिए थोड़ा सा I'll just
अरे
have
वाह,
one.
Please, you have to, I would love to.
I'll have a little bit for this is dedicated to him
Thank you so much.
and
That's what I love about you.
everyone.
आप always ready रहते हैं. The best part. हो जाए.
It is a lot of people will not understand it, but it's like a bit different. Though I'm not ready, but let's go. Ali, Ari, piya, baby.